guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of crossing by my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. I really appreciate those guys that subscribe to my YouTube channel. I say thank you. Okay guys, today I will be teaching you how to make bitter leaf soup and banga. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make bitter leaf soup and banga. So here are the ingredients. So my meat is already in the pot. Now we'll be putting, let me introduce you my meat. Okay, I have meat already in the pot. There is shaki, cow tail. I have a fresh meat. Now we'll be adding salt to it. Here, salt. Now I have 2 Maggi cubes. Now we'll be using the first one here to parboil the meat. Okay. So I have to turn a little bit. So I have to cover it for at least for 30 minutes. Okay, I have 2 bonus fish, macro fish, because I love using fish, always fish. I love it. So I want the fish to be much inside the bitter leaf soup. So I have to grind the spinach with the bitter leaf. Now I have two onions. I have to grind the 2 onions now. Okay, this is the spinach because I'm cooking the bitter leaf soup with spinach here. Now I have to be blending it with the onions inside. The onions is the first thing I put. Is inside. I have to add a little bit water before I start. Here we go, here we are. Now we start. Okay guys, you can see the banga. Now we'll be putting it inside this pot, the small pot here. I'm putting it here because I need to put hot water inside. You people will be asking me, why am I putting hot water inside? I'm putting hot water because of the sound. You will see what will come out inside this banga after I put the water, the hot water. I need to put the hot water so that everything will melt. Guys, just be washing what will come out from this. Just be washing. I have to mix it very well. Now I will pour it here. While using banga cup of, while using it, please be careful. You need to do it the same way because there is a lot of sand inside, a lot of sand. So now I will be turning it until everything is mixed together. You will see the down of the pot. You will see what I will find inside. Now I will be putting the black fruit inside. The black. Now I will be adding bitter leaf. You know, I ground it. It's grounding one because I'm cooking bitter leaves, spinach and bitter leaves together. So this is how I blend it so that I will feed more that black, that bitter. I will feed the bitter inside. Now I turn it. I just want the bitter leaf to be very bitter. But that is the way I just want it. Okay, now guys, focus of what I'm about to do now. Just be watching. Just be watching. You see inside? You see the sand? You see sand inside? That is why. You see it? So guys, be careful while using the bangas to cook. So you have to be careful. You have to melt it with hot water. At the end of everything, you will see what will come out. So that is what you just saw now. So now I'm adding. Here is my blended crayfish and pepper. Now I put it inside. I turn. Okay, now here are my 2 bonus of macrofish inside together. I don't like the head. I always throw the head off. So now I'm feeling the onions scenting inside. I will be adding. Okay, this is the last Maggi, the double Maggi. To turn it. Add a little salt. Because there was salt before in the meat, so I have to adjust a little bit so that it will not be. Now I'm turning. Okay, now I have to cover at least for 15 minutes with this ready. Here is my bitter leaf soup. It's almost ready. Oh, I feel like eating it now. Food is ready. This is how coming of my bitter leaf soup. Guys, come and join me. Oh my God, you people, you are missing, you know. It's so delicious. I tasted it already. Now I'm going to go and eat. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. And if you have subscribed before, oh, thank you. God bless you. Please guys, like my page, Beautiful Shine TV page. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys. Thank you once again. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye.